Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaya. For any of you that are new, today we are getting into this hair and outfit, so let's get started. Okay, so today's beautiful wig comes from Incolorwig. They sent over this beautiful highlight unit here that is body wave. So it came middle part, but I'm customizing it to be a side part, y'all. Can you believe it? Your girl is going with a side part today. And I put it on my left side. So what I'm doing first is just like getting the lace set. I plucked it like super little, like not a lot at all. And I just molded it with this into the side part. And then I just blow dried some of that wave out, and I'm just going to add some curls. And I use a little bit of spritz spray just to hold the curls in place so they wouldn't fall as easy since I wasn't using any clips. And then once I do that, I'm going to move into the front of the hair, and I'm going to cut some layers into it so I can have more of a defined bang. I really wanted to make sure the bang is nice and full and fluffy, sort of. So I did it on both sides just to have a nice little flip back there. Cutting the bangs is pretty simple. I just cut in like a diagonal form until I get it basically as thin and as layered as I would like it. I'm no professional hair cutter, so yeah, I just do what works for me. And then I'm just gonna use that same curling wand on the top of the hair and the bang as well, and I'll use my flat iron just to add a little bit more bounce and curl to the bang. And this is what the wig looks like after I put all the heat and work into it. It looks pretty darn beautiful, I shall say, sitting on this mannequin head. So once I got it finished, I was like, oh, I can't wait to get this installed. I was like obsessed. My installation process, I did a pretty easy install. I call this glueless because technically the Got To Be gel isn't a glue, it's a gel. So, and I also did not have to bleach the knots on this wig. Just thought I'd throw that out there. So yeah, I used the Got To Be gel just to secure it in place. And I also used my blow dryer just to blow dry that down in place. But before I glue it in place, I was just playing with the setting and seeing where I wanted my parting space to land exactly. And I also cut the lace off before gluing the wig down. And that was pretty much that. Now I'm just going to work on the roots of the hair, making sure they're as flat as possible. I use my wax stick just to make sure there aren't any flyaways. And I wanted my bang area to have a little bit of height, so I teased it in the front just to make sure it sits up a little bit higher. It's a process, y'all. I probably did this for about maybe 2 minutes, 3 minutes, just going back and forth and then making sure I comb out the rest of the bang, but while keeping the roots a little bit thick. And so as you can see, once I got the unit installed, I felt like I needed to cut just a little bit more layer into it, as well as go back over it with my curling wand. But that was pretty much that, y'all. I really love this hair. It's really good quality hair. I didn't have any issues with it. Like, it's good quality, and like there's no shedding, no tangling, none of that. You could just tell it was very well processed. And I have a feeling this wig is going to last me a good little minute, y'all. So you will be seeing me wearing this unit a lot more. So if you guys want one, make sure you check out the description bar below. I have a direct link there for this exact wig, as well as all the other info. And then here's my fit: black tank, black ripped jeans from Boohoo, shoes and purse are from Shein. But that's the final look, y'all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye, y'all.